10 Best Ways to Fight Oily Skin. Hey everybody, welcome to Know How Beauty. Today we're going to go over the top 10 ways to fight oily skin. Make sure to watch until number 1 because it's one of the most fantastic skincare hacks. Number 10. Wash your face regularly. With oily skin, it's all about achieving balance. If you don't wash your face, the excess sebum can trap dirt or dead skin in your pores, causing a breakout. If you wash your face too much or too harshly, your skin will produce even more oil to compensate for your dried outlook. So it's good to establish a face washing routine that finds a happy medium. The best way to do this is to chat with your dermatologist. They can help you find a method that works for your skin's specific needs. In the meantime, wash your face twice a day with a gentle cleanser. Ditch any harsh soaps or products that make your skin feel dry. You can also experiment with toners and oils, which we'll get to later. One more hard rule: don't sleep with your makeup on. A face full of makeup overnight is practically asking your pores to get clogged. Even if you're the sleepiest person on earth, take 5 minutes to wash your face before bed. Your not broken out skin will thank you in the morning. Number 9. A proper skincare routine. Are you wondering how to take care of oily skin? Where to start? Greasy, oily skin is what beauty woes are made of. So, while a glossy sheen could be a beautiful thing on your hair and nails, it's undoubtedly oh so not appealing on your face. The thing about oily skin though is that there is no definite reason for that extra slick of oil on your face. If you have oily skin, it implies that your skin has overactive sebaceous glands that produce more oil than you need. Oftentimes, it's caused due to climate changes, hormones, genetics, diet, stress, or even the wrong skincare product. Not to mention the times when your skin gets dehydrated and has to compensate for the loss of oil, and it starts overproducing excess oil. The result? Enlarged pores that are prone to acne, breakouts, and blackheads. What a nightmare! Just because you have oily skin doesn't mean you can't do anything about it. First things first, rather than following what everyone else is doing, determine what works for you. Avoid using random products which might aggravate your situation, and stick to tried and tested oily skincare products. Here are our formulas and tips for oily skin that will help keep oiliness at bay. A perfect skincare routine will contain a cleanser, toner, and moisturizer. Number 8. Egg whites and lemon juice. Who doesn't want soft, supple, and radiant skin? Many of us strive to get flawless skin and achieve the same results. We often end up trying various cosmetic and beauty products and treatments that are readily available on the market. We fail to realize that these store-bought products can do more harm than good to our skin. Let us share with you 2 homemade remedies to fight that oily face. Number 1. Squeeze the juice from 1 lemon and use it as a mask for oily skin. Just take 2 parts of water and 1 part lime juice, mix it, and apply on your face. Let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. You can also make a face mask with lemon juice, honey, and milk. Mix, apply to your face, and wash it off after 10 to 15 minutes for glowing skin. Number 2. An egg white mask is the most natural solution to fighting big pores and oily skin because it helps to shrink the pores and tighten skin in general. Take 1, preferably large egg, and separate the whites from the yolk. Add 3 to 4 drops of lemon juice to the egg white and whisk it so that the 2 ingredients blend entirely. Add this mask to your face and let it dry. You'll know when it's time to wash it off because it'll feel drained and hardened on your face. You can rinse it off in 10 to 15 minutes with warm water. Number 7. Oatmeal. Oatmeal helps calm inflamed skin and absorbs excess oil. It also helps exfoliate dead skin. When used in facial masks, oatmeal is usually ground. It can be combined with yogurt, honey, or mashed fruit such as bananas, apples, or papaya. To use oatmeal on your face, first combine half a cup of ground oats with hot water to form a paste. Next, stir in 1 tablespoon of honey. Then, massage the oatmeal mixture into your face for about 3 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Alternatively, apply the oatmeal mixture to your face and leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse with warm water and pat dry. Number 6. Tomatoes. Cut a tomato in half. Using a sharp knife, slice the tomato in half on a stable surface, preferably a wooden cutting board. Be careful not to cut yourself. Always cut with the blade of the knife facing away from your hands and body. Rub the tomato halves on your skin. Take the 2 halves of the tomato you've cut and rub them liberally on your face's affected areas. Lightly squeeze the tomato halves as you rub them on your face, coaxing the juice from the fruit. It's best to wash your face before this treatment. If your pores are clean and free of dirt and bacteria, the tomato juice will have an easier time sinking in and doing its job. Let the juice sit. Allow your skin to soak in the juice for at least 15 minutes to saturate into the pores. If necessary, repeat the rubbing process to get more tomato juice on your face. Feel free to allow the tomato juice to sit on your face for longer. It will not damage your skin in any way. Rinse your skin. Rinse the tomato juice off with fresh or cold water. Cold water closes skin pores and helps keep bacteria from spreading. It also seals in moisture. After rinsing, pat your skin dry with a towel. You can use this treatment 2 to 3 times a week. Number 5. Face mask. Specific facial masks may be beneficial for treating oily skin. These may contain ingredients such as clay. Masks containing minerals such as smectite or bentonite can absorb oils and reduce skin shininess and sebum levels without irritating the skin. Use them only occasionally to prevent the skin drying out and apply a gentle moisturizer afterward. Honey. A 2011 study reports that natural raw honey has antibacterial and antiseptic qualities. A 10-minute honey face mask may reduce acne and oily skin while keeping the skin soft. Oatmeal. As discussed earlier, masks containing colloidal oatmeal may help cleanse the skin, as suggested in a 2014 study. Oats contain gentle, cleansing saponins, antioxidants, and anti-inflammatory compounds that could soothe irritated skin. Facial masks for oily skin are available for purchase online. Number 4. Apply moisturizer. There are many natural moisturizers that you can use to moisturize your skin. Some of them are argan oil, shea butter, rosehip oil, almond oil, coconut oil, and aloe, and banana, honey, and milk. But for now, let us discuss argan oil. Argan oil is not called the miracle oil for nothing. It is a fantastic moisturizer for oily skin because it's 100% non-comedogenic in nature, meaning that it will not clog pores. Argan oil also helps balance the sebum production of the skin and is therefore one of the best moisturizers for oily skin. The lightweight texture of argan oil sinks right into the skin and does not feel greasy at all. It moisturizes from deep within, leaving your skin hydrated and nourished. Number 3. Exfoliate once a week. As we age, the process of cell regeneration slows down. This means that the body is slower to shed skin cells and generate new ones. When old skin cells start to pile up on the surface of the skin, it can leave skin looking dull, rough, and dry. Furthermore, the buildup of dead skin cells can result in excess oil and clogged pores, leading to blemishes and acne. Exfoliation removes the barrier of dead skin cells clogging the skin and uncovers fresh new cells below. This opens the way for moisturizing products to penetrate more deeply into the skin, making them more useful. In short, a regular exfoliating routine will leave your skin looking fresh and healthy. It is essential to exfoliate oily skin regularly so that pimples, blackheads, and clogged pores do not occur. While facial acids such as salicylic acid are an excellent skincare ingredient for oily skin, you need to make sure that you do not overdo it when it comes to such ingredients. Even oily skin can become red and irritated from using too much of an exfoliating product. Number 2. Use a toner. Toners are often misunderstood, and most people don't know if they should use it or how to use it. Before moisturizing and following your facial cleanser, a face toner is a quick, absorbing liquid that helps remove excess dirt, traces of oil and makeup, correct and balance the pH of your skin, and control acne. In other words, a facial toner thoroughly cleans the skin and helps remove built-up surface dead skin cells. By helping to clean and close pores, it's especially beneficial for acne-prone skin. Start by washing your face with a gentle cleanser for sensitive skin suited for your skin type. Choose one free of harsh detergents, such as sodium lauryl sulfate and fragrance. Dampen a cotton ball with the alcohol-free toner and apply it to your face. Allow it to dry. If you have combination or oily skin, you can use an alcohol-free toner during the day and at night. For dry skin, it's best to only use it once a day at nighttime. Always follow with a moisturizer for your skin type. Number 1. Use blotting paper. Blotting sheets and papers are exactly what they sound like. Small sheets of paper meant for blotting. More specifically, these sheets are made with an extra absorbent material intended to remove oil and sweat without taking your makeup off. This means you can quickly blot away oil without the fear of losing coverage in the process. Wondering who should use blotting papers? Everyone. Seriously, we're huge advocates that everyone can benefit from having blotting sheets on hand, especially those with oily skin. Since your skin tends to get greasy quicker than others, oil blotting sheets will be your best friend to keep your makeup looking its best throughout the day and night. Thanks for watching! Subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss our videos about beauty hacks and much more. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.